Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you how you are going to book your flight reservation, hotel reservation, and medical insurance or travel insurance when you are traveling. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and put your comment in the comment section. Now let's get it done. Alright, so go to your browser and then search Schengen Visa flight reservation. I repeat, Schengen Visa flight reservation. Into which my backing can for Schengen Visa, you do not need to buy a real flight ticket. A verifiable flight reservation with a valid PNR is fully accepted under the Article 14 of the Schengen Visa Code. What a Schengen flight reservation is, then you read. Schengen flight reservation is a real but unpaid airline booking that include a PNR, passenger name record. So you can read, you take your time and then read. So scroll to this one. You say it's not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this, the one with the flight heading upwards. So click on it. So when you click on it, you're supposed to see this blue and white interface. All right, and this flight is what I was talking about. So Schengen travel. Okay, so get flight itinerary, hotel reservation, and travel. Yes, you can see. So all right, so here it says flight itineraries, hotel reservation, or visa document also here. Now confirm flight itineraries, real PNR, airline verifiable, hotel reservation date, fully cancelable, like you can cancel it. Okay, and then travel insurance, Schengen compliant cover. All right, so that is it. So trusted here, trusted entity or body, verifiable. Okay, so this is their number. You can just click on the WhatsApp and you can chat them. On your WhatsApp, right? So these are the countries that you can use this for a visa. Okay, so that is it. So let's check the flight. What do you call the prices? So the service here is it. So if you want what flight reservation, hotel reservation, and travel insurance to be sent to you in 24 hours. All right, this is here. Okay, if you want it to be sent to you to your email, right? You see this, then if they finish preparing your documents, they will send it in a PDF form to your email. So if you want it a full day, that is it. That is the price below. I will show you the price. And here, if you want it 3 hours time, they can do in 1 hour. If you want your documents in 1 hour, the 1 hour means assuming you have interview 4 o'clock in the evening, all right, and if not done all this stuff, you can just book them, paid, and then within an hour they will submit all this thing to your email, and then you print it out and then you go for the interview. But the thing is, this, when they give it to you, it is valid for 15 working days. When you go for Schengen Visa, it takes 15 days for them to decide whether they are going to give you the visa or not. So their documents too valid for 15 days. So you know that you'll be going for the interview in 25 days time, and then you book it today. You know you are worrying yourself. You bring a problem to yourself because it's 25 days, not 15 days. So you wait until the day that you are going for the interview, whether the exact day or the day before that, then you book it. Okay, so when the day before that, you're supposed to pick 24 hours or 3 hours only, but you know that you are having the interview the same day. You have to pick what do you call the 1 hour delivery. So when you pick 24 hours delivery, that is a combo: hotel, flight, hotel, insurance, all the three. Okay, so secure your visa and support for $50,000 travel insurance. It's even more than what the embassy is expecting. The embassy is expecting 30,000. 30,000. Okay, so if you don't want the 3 and you want 2, flight and hotel, then $35. So all the 3 is $65, and the flight and hotel is $35, and only travel itineraries, only travel insurance is $30, and only flight reservation is $15. Okay, so that is how it is. Now let's go to if you want a 3 hours. So if you want 3 hours, only flight reservation 35, travel insurance 45, and hotel and flight 60. Combo, all the 3, $90. All right, so let's see if you want it in 1 hour. If you want it in 1 hour, flight reservation $50. All right, travel insurance 65, and flight and hotel 90, the two of them. Okay, the three, $150. If you want it in 1 hour, they will do that for you. Okay, so that is it. So assuming let's see, okay, let's go here. Let's pay them. Okay, this I want my own 24 hours. So let's see what will come. So when you select the hour you want, it will bring you to this interface. All right, flight, hotel, travel insurance, booking form, get delivery within 24 hours, verifiable. Okay, so first, flight details. Okay, so number of travelers, maybe one, only you are traveling. You put your email here. All right, so I put my email. That's my number. That's the price, $35. And so after putting your name, all right, you're supposed to put a name that is exactly on your passport. So if your Theophilus is here, okay, as your last name, you have to do it so. So your first name, my first name is Theophilus, and my last name is Apia. Okay, so enter traveler's flight details. So enter traveler's flight details. Now let's read what is here. Need a flight for journey listed below. Now assuming it's you. Now say you offer flight ticket in every Ghana. What you say? And now they back Germany. Into show we say example, depart from New York on 7th July 2018 and arrive in Paris on 8th July 2018. Return from Paris on the 17th July 2018 and arrive to New York 18th July 2018. Now, I had all the information to do another chef say. I had now bet almost say what person unto in free Ghana edase na okwa kudru baby a wokọ no edase na akoye de obeye na obe free sa akro no so edase na wabedru Ghana edase. What do you say? Exactly. So let's say me na me kwa on and make us say depart from Ghana. Okay, Accra. It's supposed to be lower letter. And then this airport. So I had me to a free depart from Accra ACC Airport. Okay, on 21st May 2027. Okay, 2027, and arrived at Berlin Berlin Airport. So make drew Berlin Airport on the 13th May 2027. Now the matter is will be to Ghana on the 12th May 2027. Now I could do the next day. Okay, now I could do the next day. Inti ye free Ghana no. What I say? Now ye baba Ghana over trying to say depart from Berlin. Okay, sorry. Depart from Berlin on 17th May 2027 and arrive in Accra ACC Airport on 18th May 2027. Alright, so you are done. So this is what you are telling them. So oko no banning in any the way which I say okwa obeko dasi na obetu Africana. Now I could do baby oko no dasi. Now, say ba, over free a chrono so dasi, no be do Ghana dasi. It is almost plane ticket now, almost in and out, and the amount. What you say? Indeed, the second line is for the out from a chrono so the chrome, and the first line also here from that is in from Ghana to baby I walk on. What you say? She hi ba, no have a mistake. I was say. She video ni bio sa ansana. What you say over here? What you say? Don't forget to subscribe. Mr. Must subscribe it. Right. Auntie. Yeah, we know. Work off from visa interview date. Inti. Say what bookie appointment oh. Na date na when you no appointment letter him no. But treasure. TB I'm a visa appointment date no to be let's say June 3rd, 2027. In 2027. Country applying at which embassy? So German embassy, okay. So let's put German embassy. Okay, so how did you hear from this? So maybe we'll go search. Are you one of the travelers making this payment? Yes, when I select yes if you are making payment from India. No, you're making payment from India because you know why they brought this? Because Indians always use cam payment and stuff. So you can read the article about the Schengen Visa requirement. So now, yes, I'm going to view. Now, first, once I'm selected, I may flight, hotel, travel, insurance, all the three. And I didn't see here. Also, I'm selecting her. What I say, and I'm a bar on the now click on the didn't see. I say, and now my flight information in here. What I say, the flight information first. Over selecting number of Nipadua or Mutu coin. Bako, no about email or shop number. Okay. No about Odin, no about Odin or say anyone our last name. Now I bet you time out be free chrono so near crew or cost or time out be draw. Any time out be free chrono so about what bet me own as a calculative. Now say me visa na demand I say that's it. Want to be here. Subscribe to me TikTok no na ebra me only fan session ho me am no be bibia 1-on-1. Why? Nti mi wie na me bebo visa interview date na mo de ama me no ha. Na mbo embassy kura me call visa no akọje visa no na mbo baabi a me hu saa ade wi na wa ba na obusa say wo na wutua ana wo na etua what you say na wa ka say yes na wo say wutua free India na no nti eno no akọ next hotel session yi also I also want more information what you say now hwe date na wo de ma flight no and I was say wo ye o de sha because so ka kire o mo say wo betu Africana 17th May 2027 now I could do chrono so 18th May 2027. Until won't even country to draw 18th May. Now we call down now call them not 19th May. Until we checking. So right checking date 18th May 2027. Now flight in do chrono 18th May 2027 now. So better. See we so the kwache embassy in say we booking tin e set senso. I say embassy ni bebu sa say na wusi a ukwakoda he na abetena nti azum min say of flight be do 18th and na accommodation so booking no 20th na ba sa obeda he na nsa na 20th na so no akọ hotel ti booking na we de wa hwade ne yi pa nti we say obe checking in 18th May 2027 na obedi how many days wo ho e bia 3 and 5 nti 5 and obe free was say check out. So check out date 23rd May 2027. What do you say? Inti sanity inti tema udi or flight in bedroni. Inti that date na obeko hotel akoda. Ti over there 5 days. The 5 days no so ye na or na be free hotel. What you say? No ako next. The next no high insurance. Okay. So insurance no or say the number of travelers mo here insurance is inti ye won kwa select one. Country be na free so Ghana. Okay. Yen select Ghana. Okwa okay, yen fancy me ko Berlin, Germany. Number of days I go di 5. I pick 5 we free say. Me you know me hotel booking no the interval na that data me dey be draw on me dey be free 1 year 5. Inti na pick 5 automatically. And I may pick flight no so me Ghana share that is Accra. Inti na pick we automatically. Now trip starting date. Trip starting date. So trip starting date in here 17 because 17th now they be free Ghana. So 17th and away May. Now I end it 23rd. what I say, 23rd May 2027. So I think say yes. Okay, so first name, that is when your name on the passport. Okay, so let's put Theo. Okay, and my last name, let's say Apia. Gender, your ban have another show. Date of birth, okay, emo be unsure. Okay, okay, traveler age, okay, me or me 30s. Okay, country of citizenship, young of Ghana, near Ghana. Passport number, or passport number shall be a G111 G112041. Okay, beneficiary. Okay, maybe my daughter. Okay, so Fabi. Okay, I say. Alright, relationship. Child. Okay. Home address. Mabunungwa. Country. Ghana. Okay, it's not Ontario, in free Ontario, Accra, Ghana. So on the zip code 233 near. Okay, home country, Accra. Home city. We are not US citizen, alright. So we pick that. So what fele flight and what fele traveler one insurance details na you know. Now about next. BBA view every flight plus hotel itineraries. What I say is this 35, and then travel medical insurance 42.50. So all sum up to 77.50. Okay, so if you have any code, I mean discount, put it here and apply. It will reduce the price. So select your payment method, either card or PayPal. You select the card or the PayPal, and then you continue to pay. So let's say PayPal. If you pick PayPal, you are going there to pay. If you pick Ghana, pay now. So it will sum up flight plus hotel cost 35, travel insurance 42.50, so 77.50. So you put your email here, your card details, the date, the expiry date on your card, the CVC, the 3 numbers at the back of the card, your card name, and then the city. You can just add Accra or any other, or click on it, the city will pop up, and then you select. Then you'll add your address, maybe one address, maybe your house number or street. Then postal code Ghana is 00233 or +233. Then you put the city Accra, then you press on pay. So immediately you press on pay, it will send authorization to your bank account and it will take the amount from it.